In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Project Mugetsu on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access Project Mugetsu on any Xbox console that you have, and I'm gonna be talking about how it feels to play using a controller. Keep in mind that while it is possible for you to access the experience, see your progress, and even join a pre-existing save file if you already play Project Mugetsu on other platforms, you are going to be limited because of the fact that you are trying to use a controller which has limited functionalities on Project Mugetsu. You might encounter some problems while trying to do this, so keep that in mind. Some actions will be limited. So all that you have to do to play Project Mugetsu on your Xbox is, after you open the game, use the search function and look for the experience. So look for Project Mugetsu. As you can see, during the time that I'm recording this video, it is shortened to PM, but you can clearly tell that this is the official Project Mugetsu experience by the fact that it is made by Osiris Productions and because it has almost 75 million visits. So all that you have to do now is choose the option to join the experience. Of course, I am doing this process on my PC, but I'm gonna be using a controller to try to simulate what you will be doing on your console. So you will be able to press the select or options button and choose a save file, navigate through the menus using the select or options button, and once you load in, you will be able to play. So you have the standard controls. You will be able to walk around by using the left joystick, you can move your camera around by using the right joystick, and certain buttons will do certain actions. So there are some limitations. For example, if you are trying to change your accessories, this might be limited, so you won't be able to do it on a console, for example, using on your controller. So you might have to switch over to your PC or phone, do it there, and then come back. You can do a lot of stuff here, so for example, if you try to meditate, you can still do it using a controller, and the buttons are even going to be adjusted so they match your controller layout. So it is very accessible, but for the most part, you will encounter limitations here and there, so keep that in mind. While it is possible for you to play, it might not be the most enjoyable experience. So try to play, see how it feels, and you will be able to experience Project Mugetsu on your Xbox console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Project Mugetsu on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.